Hey guys, it's Rachel. What's up? Welcome back. I hope you've all been having a great start to your 2018. Seriously, since when is it already 2018? I feel like everybody says that in their videos now, but still, I can't believe time is going by so fast. And just a few little life updates from my end, you might notice that my hair is a little bit different now. I've been wanting to dye my hair for a while now, but I was always kind of too scared to. Even like the day before, I thought about canceling it because I was so scared to dye it, but I'm really happy that I did. I like the way it came out a lot. I would say let me know in the comments below if you like it more than black hair, but then if you don't like it more than my black hair, like, I don't know what I would do about that because I can't dye it back right now. So spare my ego and please don't leave compliments down below. And then another life update. You might notice that I was gone for a couple weeks there, but I promise it's good news. During the past 3 weeks, I basically wrote the majority of the cookbook. I knew that going into freshman year, trying to write a book at the same time as being a full-time college student, I wasn't gonna have a whole lot of free time. And also, I knew the only way to really make it work is to do a ton of the work over winter break. But it actually really worked out because I basically baked non-stop every single day over winter break, just busting out over 100 recipes for the book. And so now I'm so happy they're basically all finished, or at least I would say 90% finished. I'm still playing around with a couple of the recipes, but I am so excited for you guys to see. They're all coming out really cute, but I'm gonna have to wait until summer 2019 when the book comes out to share it with you all. And then last life update is more kind of a channel update, or not even really an update at all. I'm just trying to provide some structure to this really long intro, but I've been doing a lot of thinking about my channel and if I want to make any changes in 2018 and what that would look like. But if you guys have any special requests about hearing about my personal life or school or what college is like, what it's like to go to Stanford, anything like that, make sure to leave it down below. And then also just any other video requests you have for 2018, leave them down below too. I have a bunch more ideas for a different kind of video series thing. You guys know that I love doing my miniature dessert series, and then of course the regular kawaii baking and DIY. But I'm kind of thinking about some other things too, so look out for that. And then speaking of miniature desserts, today we are making some adorable little miniature cupcakes. I made them in a whole rainbow of different colors, and they're just so much fun to make and decorate. Some of you guys ask what's the point of making small little desserts, and really, it's just about the experience of it. I just think it's fun to do, and I think they come out super cute. And with that said, if you are not subscribed already and you like what you see, make sure you tap that button for new videos and turn on those notifications as well. And without further ado, let's hop right into it. To start off, in a large bowl, you'll want 1 cup of flour, along with 6 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then go ahead and whisk that all through. And then you'll also need 3/4 cups of milk, along with 6 tablespoons of butter, and then very gently drop the butter into the milk, and then melt that down in the microwave. Just go for 30-second intervals until it is nice and smooth. Next up, add in 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For some reason, I was not doing so hot on measuring out the vanilla, but like approximately 1.5 teaspoons. Mix that all through, and then pour it on into your dry ingredients. Then just go ahead and give that all a stir through. It should be kind of the consistency of pancake batter, and then we'll just pour this on into our ungreased cupcake mold. Link for this is over on the blog post, but you'll want to fill them up almost to the top. Then it's time to add in our food color. I just went for all the different colors of the rainbow here. You could flavor them, but it gets kind of tricky because the quantity of batter is so small, but you can go for it if you'd like to. And then I also made a funfetti cupcake just by tossing in some sprinkles. Once you have that ready to go, bake them off at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes, and they should look something like this. Let them cool for about 5 minutes just so you can handle the mold, and then kind of tug at the sides to release the cupcakes, flip it over, and do your best to wiggle them out. If they don't all pop out, no worries, just very gently remove them from the mold. And aren't these so cute? I love the colors, they're super vibrant and saturated, nice and bite-sized as well for those New Year's resolutions. But once they're cooled completely, you can go ahead and decorate. I just have some frosting in a piping bag here, and I'll just pipe on a simple swirl, and then top with sprinkles. You'll notice that I kept each of the cupcakes monochromatic just to really drive home that rainbow theme. Except for the orange cupcake, I accidentally used yellow sprinkles because in the can they looked like they were orange. I feel very lied to, but anyways, basically monochromatic. Moving on to the yellow cupcake, another swirl of frosting. Then I added on some small yellow jimmies, and then I topped it off with a cute little pineapple sprinkle. Moving on to our green cupcake, I added on some green sanding sugar and kept it simple with some flower sprinkles. Our blue cupcake is going to be kind of a galaxy theme one, so I added on some blue, black, and silver sprinkles, along with some stars, and these kind of like sugar rock candy things. It's like kind of reminiscent of a comet or like an asteroid or like some kind of chunk of earth or matter, I don't know. But I just threw those on there as well. And now this guy is finished. And then for our purple cupcake, I added on this kind of clear sugar seaweed looking stuff. I don't know. I saw it at Michael's and I thought it was pretty. But I added that on along with 2 more purple sprinkles. And And then last but not least, for our funfetti cupcake, I colored some of the frosting pink and piped it on with a round nozzle. Then I added on some rainbow sprinkles and a flower in the center. And now all of our miniature cupcakes are finished. I love these. You guys know I love making miniature desserts. I just have so much fun doing it. And now that our cupcakes are finished, let's hop into the outro. Alright guys, so that is our miniature cupcakes, and I hope you all enjoyed. And if you like this video, make sure you tap that subscribe button. You can just click my face right over there. You can also follow me on social media at kawaiisweetworld. The blog post is right over there. And I think that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all back here very soon. Bye guys. My voice cracked.